Namaste, Namaste, dear all. Welcome to you. Myself, GIRISH from Mangaluru, Karnataka, India. So, I am representing Kanakadhara Financial Services, also representing Life Insurance Corporation of India, which is the number one insurance company of the world now. So, thank you for watching this and welcome you all. So, are you an NRI and your friends or relatives are NRIs? Please do watch this very important communication I am giving to you through this message. So, thank you. So, number one, why NRIs are investing or interested to invest in India? So, huge number of NRIs nowadays investing in India because India is the fastest growing economy you may be aware of, and it has huge population and a big population of younger generations and huge resource and a very good government. So all these with all these background, so there is a huge potential for growth and so already giving very good returns compared to the other countries of the world. So therefore there is naturally there is a huge flow of FDI. Similarly, the NRIs are investing. So since you are an NRI, so I request you to consider these following points very important for you. So number one, why an NRI should invest in India? So already I said it is giving very good returns compared to all other countries. So number two, so what are the investment opportunities available for me as an NRI? So all the opportunities, almost all the opportunities available for Indian citizen is also applicable to you also, excepting few. So you can invest in share market, you can invest in a mutual funds, you can invest in insurance company like LIC, or you can invest in gold and so on. So how can I take back my money? So or how can I invest? You can invest through your NRE account or NRO account also, and you can take back the money to your country. Can I repatriate my amount back to my country? So when you invest and while you are taking returns, you can definitely repatriate if you are investing through NRE account. Through NRO account also you can make the investments and take back it. So with some formalities involved. And how I am taxed and where. So you are taxed in the same manner as Indian citizens. If the product or if the returns are taxable for Indian citizens, it's also taxable for you also. But there is something called as a DTAA, Double Tax Avoidance Act. So India has signed, the Foreign Ministry has signed that agreement with many of the countries. So suppose if you are staying in a country like US or some European countries or Dubai like country, so there is Double Tax Avoidance Act. So double tax avoidance agreement is done. So therefore that agreement is done. So that's why you need not have to pay double tax. So you are paying tax in India, so you need not have to pay tax once again. So then where I can invest? So before saying that, I will say something about asset class. There are some three kinds of asset class. One is safe asset class, like investment in LIC. So in the safe asset class, so there is returns are almost in the range of 7 to 8%. So which are very close to the repo rate of Indian Reserve Bank of India. So RBI rate is called as repo rate. So the returns are somewhere around the repo rate. That means 6 to 7%. And that is also tax free. And it is capital protected. The safe asset class investments are capital protected, tax free, and there is no risk at all. So therefore you can invest for longer term without any tension. So number second is medium risk asset class. Here you will get some 5% above the safe asset class the returns. So maybe so some 12 to 15% you may get the returns. So here there is some risk is associated and it is taxable and you need to monitor. So there is naturally some global risk or economy risk is associated like mutual fund. You can invest in mutual fund also. LIC also gives you mutual fund which is giving very good returns like So 18% CAGR, 20%, 25%, 29%. So there are many range of products you can invest in. So which is of course comes in medium risk asset class. And the finally high risk asset class where you can invest in share markets. So there of course it is not capital protected and it is not tax free, it is completely taxable and there is huge risk associated. So these are the three asset classes. So LIC comes under safe asset class for the with the convention plans. So there is one important advantage, very important point. Please do consider this investing in LIC because it gives you completely tax-free returns. If you invest in conventional plans, you will get tax-free returns for lifetime. You will get tax-free return for lifetime. Please underline this. So up to 5 lakh investment, 5 lakh rupees investment per annum, the returns you are going to get for lifelong, it is tax-free. And some plans like LIC's mutual funds, so there also up to 2.5 lakh you can invest. It is of course in the medium risk asset class. You can invest and you can get the returns tax free for lifetime. So hereby I invite you and welcome you to invest in the proud LIC, the number one insurance company of our country. And I'm also proud of you, and you are representing India in all such other countries, and with all the struggles and all the challenges you have faced, and you are proudly represented our country. And I thank you and I salute you and I invite you to invest in LIC and please do contact, and I will be giving all my details in the description box below. And thank you one and all. Thank you.